All right, so now let's combine the two. Let's do our numbers and our variables all together. So start by writing down A. All right, so we're going to start with our numbers first. All right, everybody okay with that? So I'm going to start with my 6. What are my factors of 6? 1 and 6. And then just 2 and 3. Does everybody concur with that? 1 and 6, 2 and 3. So then I'm going to work with my factors of 10. Okay? I'm going to work with my factors of 10. So that's going to get me what? 1 and 10, 2 and 5. That's pretty much it. Everybody agree? And then I'm going to work with my factors of -8. Okay? Which can be what? 1 and -8, 2 and -4, 3, 4. Yes. 4 and what? -2. And then 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. 8 and -1. Everybody agree that those are different sets of numbers? Everybody agree? So we have to put them both. Okay. So now, I'm looking at what ones do I have in common. So what do all 3 of them have in common? Well, all 3 of them have a positive 1. Everybody agree? All 3 of them have a positive 2. Right? Do all 3 of them have a 3?
No.
What about a 6? No. And so once I've gotten rid of all these, I can stop. Does that make sense? Okay, so what would I say my greatest common factor is in terms of the coefficients? It's a what? A positive 2. Everybody agree? Now, I can't forget about my variables. Okay? Because this one had an x squared, this one had an x to the 3rd, and that one had an x. I'm looking for my what? My smallest in this case. Because I can pull a 1 out of all of them. Everybody agree? So I would say that my greatest common factor is 2x. Does that make sense? Yes, no, or maybe? So far, so good? All right, let's try the next set. You ready? Can I erase this? Okay. All right, let's look at the next one. You ready? I got a -18y squared. Am I going to worry about my y squared first? No. I'm going to worry about that -18. Everybody agree? So I got 1 -18. I got 2 -9. I got 3 and -6. 4, no 5. But then I've got 6 and -3, right? 9 and -2. And then 18 and -1. Do we all agree with that? Did I miss any? All right, now let's look at -63y to the 3rd. Don't worry about my y to the 3rd yet? Don't worry about that yet? Nope. So I'm just going to have 1 and -63. No 2, but 3 and what? 3 and what? You all have a calculator. Use it. Negative what? 21. What about 4? No 5, no 6. 7? Negative who? 9. All right, which no 8, so that means I'm going to have then 9 and negative 7, 21 and negative 3, and 63 and negative 1. Is this time instead of making the turn, you just go straight to positives. Does that make sense? Okay. And then my last one is a positive 27 y to the 4th. Y'all worry about the y to the 4th? Nope, not yet. So I've got 1 and 27, 3 and 9, no 4, no 5, no 6, 7, or 8, and I don't have to worry about negatives because it's a positive number. Everybody okay with that? All right, so let's see, which ones do I have in common? They all have a 1. Do they all have a 2? No. Do they all have a 3? 1, 2, 3, yeah. 6? No. Which list should I be trying to eliminate?
27.
I should be trying to eliminate 27, right? Because it's got the fewest number in it. So they've all got a 1, they've all got a 3. What about a 9? Do they all have a positive 9? Here, here, and here, right? And then they don't all have a 27. So now that I've gotten rid of these 4, I can't use anything else. So I would say my greatest common factor is going to be, what's my whole number? 9. Now what's my variable? Y squared, because it is my smallest that I can pull. It's all I got. So my greatest common factor is 9y squared. Does that make sense? Yes, sir.
You can take the 9 from the other side as well.
What do you mean?
Like earlier we were only circling on the left side. You can circle on the right side as well.
Yeah, as long as they're in common, doesn't matter what side they're on.
Okay.
Okay? All right, everybody good? All right, let's look at this last one. Can I erase? We get a fire erase? All right, why do we like this last one? There's no coefficients, right? I don't have to make my list. But so I'm just going to look at my A's. I got an A to the 3rd, an A to the 5th, and an A to the 6th. What can I pull the most? What can I pull the least out of? A to the what? 3rd. Because I can't pull what I don't have. Then I've got my B's I've got to worry about. I got a B squared, just a B, and another B squared. What can I pull? Just a B. Okay? So I would say that my greatest common factor out of all 3 of these terms is I can pull an A to the 3rd out of all of them, and I can pull a B out of all of them. So A to the 3rd B. Does that make sense? Yes or maybe? So with greatest common factor, you're looking, what can I pull out of everything? If I pull it out of one, I have to be able to pull it out of the other. All right, everybody good?